Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at some examples on polynomial divided by another polynomial. So this is my first example. We are going to use the algorithm, which is very similar to the long division. So in this case, x to the power 3 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So this is your dividend and this is your divisor, right? So when you have this kind of a polynomial, you see x to the power 3 and the constant, but you don't see other terms like x to the power 2 term, x to the linear term, right? So to do the long division, it is easy if you write all the other terms with coefficient 0. So I'm going to write this one with like this: x to the power 3 plus 0 times x to the power 2 plus 0 times x and then minus 1 constant, this one. Okay, so then we are going to divide by x minus 1. So let's see the first term. It is x to the power 3. So how do you get x to the power 3? Using x minus 1 is you are multiplying x minus 1 by x squared, right? So this gives you x cubed minus x squared, right? So you are going to write x squared over here, over this term, right? Okay, now the multiplication of these two gives you this one, right? So we are going to write down that one under this like this. Okay, then you have to do the subtraction, right? You subtract. How do you perform the subtraction? So here you have x to the power 3 plus 0 times x squared minus these two terms. So that is what? X to the power 3 plus 0 x squared minus x to the power 3, and this one is negative is positive x squared. So this is what? As you can see, so this is x to the power 3, right? Okay, so as you can see, this is 0 x squared, so this is 0, right? And you have x to the power 3 and x to the power 3, but one is negative, so this is cancelled and the rest is x squared. So you have x squared after the subtraction, right? And then you are going to take this term, which is 0, right? Which is 0 times x. Now let's look at x minus 1. So how do you get x squared using x minus 1? So x minus 1 should multiply by x. So then this gives you x squared minus x, right? So that is, we can have positive x over here. So x times x minus 1 gives you this one. So you are going to write down x squared minus x like this. Now again subtraction. So you have x squared plus 0 times x squared minus x. So you have to do the subtraction. So that means x squared plus 0x. So here minus x squared and minus minus. So negative. So it is positive x. So here you have negative x squared and x squared. So those are cancelled. And this one 0, so 0, it goes to 0, so it's 0 and the rest is x. So you have x, and then you take this negative 1 over here, so now you have x minus 1. So how do you get x minus 1? So you should multiply by just 1. Okay, so 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1. So then do the subtraction. Subtraction gives you what? X minus 1 minus x, negative positive 1. Negative x, positive x cancel, negative 1, positive 1 cancel. So 0. So in this case your remainder is 0. Okay, so this one is your quotient, and this is your divisor, and this is your dividend, and this is your remainder. 0 is the remainder. Okay, now let's try this one. Here you have have 4 times x squared plus 8 over x minus 2. We are going to divide this term by this. Okay, so as you can see, it's 4 times x squared and the constant term, but you don't have the linear term here. So we are going to write down this one, 4x squared plus 0 times x plus 8. So I use this one, this linear term with 0 coefficient, and then divide by x minus 2, right? Okay, let's look at the first term. It's 4 times x squared. How do you get 4 times x squared using this? So you have x minus 2. I need 4 times x squared. So I should multiply by 4x. So 4x gives you this 4x squared. Okay, that's right. And the other term I have negative 8x, right? So I have to multiply by 4x. So I'm going to write 4x over here, over the linear term. Okay, and then multiply this, you get this one. So I'm going to write down 4x squared minus 8x over here. So then do the subtraction. Okay, so here you have 4x squared plus 0x, 4x squared plus 0x, subtract this one. So negative 4x squared, negative negative, positive 8x. So this is 0, right? And this is negative 4x squared, positive 4x squared. So those are cancelled. And the rest is 8x. Okay? And then you take this term over here with the sign like this, and then look at this one. So how do you get 8x with this? So you have to multiply x minus 2 by what? To get 8x, you have to multiply by 8. So then this one is 8x minus 16, right? So I have to multiply by positive 8. So I'm going to write positive 8 over here. And then 8 times x minus 2, which is this one. So I'm going to write 8x minus 16 over here. And then do the subtraction. So you have to subtract 8x plus 8 minus 8x, and negative negative is positive 16. So negative 8x, positive 8x, so those are cancelled. And here you have positive 8 and positive 16, right? So that means positive 24. So the answer is 24. So this is your remainder, this is your quotient, right? And this is your divisor, and this is your dividend. Okay? Okay, I think you understand this one. If you have any questions, you can comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.